If I hadn't have come here, I'd done a master's degree at USW, I wouldn't have had the opportunities to do what I do. I am a composer and songwriter. The two things that I'm most proud of this year was getting some music in Call of Duty. It's a huge franchise, and it's also a franchise that I played when I was a kid. I was very lucky to have music in the Spider-Man Brand New Day teaser trailer, which is now officially the most watched trailer of all time. I very specifically wanted to do something in music production. I did my undergraduate music performance. I realised I didn't want to be a performer. I was basically just performing rather than writing. Coming here with the master's degree was hugely beneficial to my career. And it was absolutely not just like the first stepping stone, but it was the first few stepping stones. During my postgraduate, we were given more creative freedoms when it came to what we wanted to do, and there was less limitations. We were allowed to be ourselves. Anyone that wants to become a musician, you have to have belief in yourself. Otherwise you won't make it. Coming here gave me that belief in myself. Postgraduate is the start of your career. If I hadn't have come here, I don't know, maybe I never would have got there.